Hello, and a warm welcome to Diamts CNC News. I'm your host Sam. In today's news, introducing the factory CNC machine MT1520 series, elevating precision and efficiency in manufacturing. In the fast-evolving landscape of manufacturing, where precision and efficiency are paramount, the factory CNC machine MT1520 series emerges as a game-changer. This exceptional 5-axis high-speed double-column machine is meticulously engineered to redefine industry standards, boasting an array of cutting-edge features that empower manufacturers to unlock new levels of productivity and versatility. From intricate components for aerospace to innovation, versatility, and excellence. Unveiling unparalleled features, 5-axis precision, high-speed performance, double-column stability, smart automation compatibility, multi-industry versatility. That's all for Diamts CNC News for today. Have a great day.